Hello, it's our February Workspace Spark unboxing. I think this is my favorite box. I know, I keep saying that every month, but listen, I need to be organized at work. My desk is a hot mess. My dad used to say a cluttered desk is a cluttered mind. And I really believe him. I didn't understand that when I was a kid, but I believe it now. So let's dive into the box. So this month we have 3 trainings. Yes. So new year, new goals, setting career goals for the new year with Tammy Mifflin. You've seen her face before. She is amazing. Then we also have Natasha Ferguson as authenticity and leadership. And last but not least, Nikki Boyd, beautifully organized at work. I think that's what makes this box so special because her book is amazing. We'll dive into that soon, but 3 trainings this month. All right, so beautifully organized at work, start of the new year, a couple months in, and the world's kind of opening back up. So having organization is key to productivity. So we thought we would dedicate this box to making sure you're organized and cute at the same time. So the first thing is a Beautifully Organized at Work book by Nikki Boyd. Beautifully Organized at Work provides practical tips and tools to mindfully transform your workspace. Please listen to her training. When I tell you, this book is not just pretty, it actually is practical. She gave such great tips that I was trying to do the interview and not take notes, but I was immediately doing some changes to how I organize my day and my desk. And then the book is absolutely beautiful. If you know anything about our founder, she does not play. She wants beautiful stuff in these boxes. So this book is beautiful. Again, great practical things that you can use every day. Can't wait for you to dive in. Please let us know in the comments how much you love this book because I know you're going to love it, and watch the training from her. Next, okay, this is my second favorite, the Marilyn Organizational Portfolio Clutch. So you can stay organized and cute at the same time. Pin, cards. If you have a tablet, like a small mini tablet, love it, love it. Great way to stay organized. Stop having your stuff all over the place. I know, beautiful quality, feels amazing. If you didn't get this box, you missed out. All right, next, the 3x3 stacking bins, cutie patootie. You're able to put these in your drawers and put your pencils, your paper clips, your pins, whatever you need to stay organized. Great. Next is the desk clip, this desk cable clip. So you can have your cables not hanging all over the place like I have mine. Can't wait to open this because we need to stay organized. And last but not least, a password tracker. I have an old school notebook that has a list of our passwords. Probably not the best way. This you can keep. Someone in our Facebook community, again, join our Facebook community if you're a member, but someone in our Facebook community said they've been using it for their family, right? To keep track of different passwords. How many passwords do we have to learn every day? Some of them have 3 capital letters, a $sign, and a special character. This way you can remember. So can't wait to use this myself. Again, don't forget, we have 3 amazing interviews this month. And Glass Ladder and Company, who has the beautiful Marilyn portfolio, has a little insert so you can learn more about their company. Please support them. We love to support other female entrepreneurs. Speaking of which, if you're a female entrepreneur or if you know someone that wants something in our box, please let us know. Let us know in the comments how much you love this box. We are so excited. Thank you for being members. Thank you for being part of our community. And until next time, see you soon.